Hello, I'm Salma, and today my colleagues Sarah Lojain and I will be presenting our mechanical graphics project, the Pneumatic Lifting Drive. The primary objective of this project was to design a functional mechanism using SolidWorks. Our development process focused on achieving high mechanical efficiency and structural stability in a compact form. We began by researching various linkage systems, ultimately selecting the scissor lift configuration for its reliable linear displacement and load-bearing capabilities.
Sora. Our lifting drive is engineered to convert fluid power into mechanical work. To ensure the assembly could withstand operational loads, we focused heavily on material properties. We utilized 60-61 T6 aluminum for the main structural plates to optimize the strength-to-weight ratio and AISR 4340 steel for the critical pivot pins. We also implemented specific hole tolerances and used acrylic plates for the guided cylinder assembly to ensure high precision movement.
I am Lujain. I will now demonstrate the system's functionality through our SolidWorks motion study. The animation shows the central pneumatic cylinder extending, which drives the scissor arms to provide a vertical lift. By applying specific assembly mates and calculating the required pneumatic pressure, we ensured the drive operates through its full range of motion without any mechanical interference.
The exploded view animation illustrates the assembly sequence of the project. It details how the pneumatic cylinder, AISI 4140 steel pins, and lifting plates are interconnected to form a rigid modular unit. Regarding structural integrity, we performed a finite element analysis. The stress results and displacement animation confirm that under significant load, the components stay within their real strength, maintaining a reliable factor of safety throughout the operation.
As seen in these photorealistic renders, the final design is a compact, robust lifting solution. We chose a non-welded pinned construction to allow for easier disassembly and component replacement.
The project successfully demonstrates the application of pneumatic drives in mechanical lifting tasks, meeting all technical and simulation requirements. That concludes our presentation. Thank you so much for listening.